soaring grace and aerial prowess, birds dominate our skies. To remain the undisputed pioneers of the air, most bird species are feather light and relatively small. But the avian world is not without its giants. The largest birds in the world have sacrificed the power of flight and live with their feet firmly planted on the ground. The ostrich, the emu, and the prehistoric-looking cassowary. All three of these flightless big birds have evolved powerful legs with massive clawed toes. Uniquely, the ostrich has only 2 toes, an adaptation for high-speed running. Sprinting at 70 kilometers an hour, the ostrich is the fastest living bird on land. It is also the largest, standing at almost 3 meters and weighing in at 150 kilos. In spectacular courtship dances, males use their flightless wings as giant decorative fans, waving them as they throw their heads from side to side, as neck and thigh blush red. Keeping lookout with the largest eyeball in the animal kingdom, there is only one creature that can outrun this giant bird. The massive ostrich can move over the landscape with strides up to 5 meters long. A continent away, in the arid landscapes and coastal dunes of Australia, runs the emu, the second tallest bird in the world. The shaggy appearance of the emu disguises a brilliant design. Their heat-absorbing feathers and insulating inner plumage prevent heat flowing into their skin, allowing them to thrive even in the midday temperatures of the outback. Keen-eyed and curious, emus are known to follow and watch other animals. Although not as tall as the ostrich, the emu can reach nearly 2 meters and weigh over 50 kilograms. Their bodies fueled on a diet of plants, seeds, and insects. In the emu world, it's the males who look after the chicks, which for the first 3 months of their life are covered in camouflaging stripes. The chicks whistle gently as they forage. The whistling gets louder and more high-pitched if they lose sight of their ever-protective parent. They will stay with their father until they are fully grown. Among the ratites, the large flightless birds of the world, emus are not the only ones to provide all-male parental care. In the lush rainforests of tropical Australia lives the stocky, aggressive, and mighty cassowary. Shorter than the emu, but much heavier, the cassowary is the world's second weightiest bird. The 18-centimeter horn-like casque on top of its head adds to its bizarre and commanding appearance. Aggressive by nature and known to strike out with both immensely powerful legs, the cassowary has the power to disembowel. Their sharpened spike-like inner claw is 12 centimeters long. A diligent and protective parent, the male cassowary nurtures his chicks for between 9 and 18 months, teaching them the ways of the rainforest. This arrestingly magnificent bird is vital for the survival of the forest in which it lives. There are some rainforest fruits that only the cassowary is big enough to disperse, the seeds germinating more readily after passing through the bird. These mighty keepers of the forest walk as true giants amongst the birds.